In this video we are going to demonstrate multiple subprocesses. Consider this business situation. In a scholarship selection process, the scholarship is opened, including information such as description, close date, requirements. After that, several applications are received. After a while, each applicant should be evaluated independently in parallel by different judges. This evaluation consists of a profile evaluation of each applicant, an interview with each one, and finally a report of this evaluation with a score according to a predefined scale. The final decision is taken by a committee after evaluating all the applicants. In the first activity, some information is included to open the scholarship and the applications are received. After that, each applicant should be evaluated by different judges. This evaluation should be performed several times, one for each applicant. See the simulation of the following diagram. Is this correct? No. The activities related to each applicant's evaluation should be performed as many times as the number of applications received, in parallel and independently. This model does not represent this situation and should be modified. A multiple subprocess enables the creation of multiple instances of a subprocess, i.e. multiple repetitions. These instances or repetitions are normally executed in parallel, but it is possible to do them sequentially. Additionally, these repetitions are determined or known prior to initiating a multiple subprocess. This multiple subprocess is represented as shown. Going back to the example, in this case, the evaluate candidate subprocess is a multiple subprocess that will be repeated for each registered applicant. Having evaluated all the applicants, the committee can select one student and award the scholarship. In this example, the repetitions are known previously, as many repetitions as the number of applicants registered, and the execution will be in parallel, i.e. each evaluation will be independent from the others and will be executed simultaneously. In this model, several evaluations, one for each applicant, are considered. See the simulation with the subprocess expanded. In this simulation, 3 applicants have been included and will be evaluated. Having finished them all, the selection is made by the committee. In this particular example, all the instances of this subprocess are synchronized to continue with the flow, i.e. all the applicants should be evaluated prior to taking the final decision. Bear in mind that a multiple subprocess can be executed sequentially or in parallel. That is, its instances are executed sequentially or simultaneously, in parallel. In case that a multiple subprocess is to be executed in parallel, it is necessary to define how the multiple instances will continue with the flow. For example, in the previous example, all the evaluations should be finished in order to continue with the selection made by the committee. This is defined with a condition flow which can be all, none, one, or complex. All means that all the instances should be synchronized before continuing with the process flow. See the simulation. In this case, the C activity will be executed once. None means that each instance will continue independently. See the simulation. In this case, the C activity will be executed several times, once for each instance created by this multiple subprocess. One means that the parent process will continue to the next activity after the first instance has finished. See the simulation. Finally, complex means that the parent process can continue if a condition is met. In this simulation, if at least 2 instances have been completed, the parent process can continue. Thank you for your interest in Bizagi, the solution preferred by BPM experts.